everyone, today I will show you how to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp, and here's how it is done. First, click on the three dot icon in the top right corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, use the search bar to type block. This will bring up the block contacts option. Tap on it and you will see the list of people you have blocked. To permanently delete a blocked contact, follow the steps. Tap on the contact you want to remove. Click the info or eye icon. Scroll down until you see the report option in red. Tap report. By doing this, you will not only delete the chat but also ensure they can no longer contact you. Blocking and reporting will prevent any further interaction from that contact. And that is everything you need to know about how to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.